Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. It was a really wet, miserable day when I filmed this video, so I thought I would share a really nice, cozy evening at home. So this is some things that I like to do, just a little bit of self-care, just taking some time out for me, so I'll get straight into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make myself a delicious meal. The boys had eaten out, so it was only me that I needed to cook for, and I love doing simple things like this because I can then have leftovers left in the fridge for the next day or to put in the freezer. This is a really basic throw together thing that I just decided I felt like having. I just got some of the seasoning packets out of one of the wrap kits that you can get, and just some salsa and chicken and a few veggies, and yeah, just chucked it all in the oven and then added some cheese a little bit later on. Whilst that is cooking in the oven, I am just going to give the kitchen a bit of a tidy up. So I need to empty the dishwasher and do the boys' packed lunches. I feel much better if I know that I'm leaving the kitchen tidy in the evening.
It's never been worth it, but now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight?
My favourite thing to do in the evening, especially if the weather isn't great outside, is to make the house really cozy. So I put the fire on, I light my candles, I put my fairy lights on, and just make everywhere feel really nice and cozy and relaxing. Now that my food is done, I am just going to put some of it on a wrap. I would normally sit in the kitchen, especially if I'm eating with the boys, but because the boys have already eaten and they're already tucked up in bed, I decided to eat mine in front of the TV. So I am just shutting out the world and putting my lamp on and finding something to watch on Netflix. A series that I've been loving at the minute is the Lupin series. I think I'm saying that right. It is dubbed, which I did think I wouldn't like at first, but I'm actually really got used to it, and I think it is a really good series if you're looking for something to watch on Netflix. I'm the type of person that likes to have a little something sweet after my tea, so I have got this very nice big bar of Galaxy that I'm not going to eat all of, but I'm going to give it a good go. So I'm just boiling the kettle to make a cup of tea and then getting out my favourite mug. This was a really special mug that somebody got me when I went on maternity leave, actually. A little old lady called Patsy, an Irish lady, she got me that mug as a leaving present, and it's just one that I've always found to be really special. So I'm just going to break off a few rows of chocolate, get my cup of tea and snuggle up in front of the TV and just take some time to relax and indulge.
My fingernails and worn out shoes. I never thought that I would fall for someone like you, an uptown girl without a single care in the whole wide world.
Next Next, I'm going to have a nice bubble bath, so I'm just lighting all of my candles. I feel like this just really makes me feel so much more relaxed, like having all the scents of all the scented candles around. I'm also going to use some of this bubble tea stardust, which is just so lovely. It turned the whole bath pink and it was just smelt gorgeous. I'm also going to make myself a nice refreshing drink, so sparkling water is one of my favourite things to have, so I'm just adding some ice and lemon to some of that.
When the world is asleep, then we can be the secret life that we share with the stars and the moonlight.
Next, I'm just going to cleanse my face. I absolutely love the Lacura range that Aldi do. I find all of their products really good, so I'm just using some of this hot cloth cleanser, but I'm using it with my Lumi Spa. I feel like I see these everywhere now. I've had one for a long time and I do think they're really good, but yeah, these devices just seem to I see so many people using them. I do find it really good to remove all of my makeup. I am also going to be removing my tan. So amazingly, St.Tropez actually sent me some products to use, which just it absolutely blows my mind, but I have been loving them. So they have sent me this tan remover, and I've never actually used one of these before, but I am definitely not going back now. It does such an amazing job. You just leave it on your skin for 5 minutes and then rub it off. I also got sent the exfoliating mitt, and it just works a treat. Honestly, it is so easy to do, so much better than sitting and scrubbing my skin like crazy in the bath, and it smells really nice as well. So yeah, definitely a must-have product if you are a fake tan wearer. I'm also just relaxing with my book whilst I'm in the bath because I am trying to read a little bit more. I love a really nice escapism book that's just easy reading, like a holiday book. Romantic literature's just, you know, nothing too taxing, so that is a way that I love to just wind down. I'm also going to treat myself to a nice sheet mask. This is one that I got in a glossy box. Just making sure that I remember to do these things sometimes because it's easy to go for ages without having done anything like this for myself and just looking after my skin. So really having some time to relax.
Looking at you.
Once I'm out the bath, I am also going to just apply my fake tan. I am just going to put on some moisturiser on all the parts that can get a little bit of fake tan build-up, so just my elbows and knees and feet. The fake tan that I was sent by St.Tropez is genuinely my new favourite. It is the Ashley Graham Ultimate Glow Kit and also the Purity Face Mist. The Glow Kit is such a nice colour and it lasts all week. So it is a mousse. It just glides on your skin. Honestly, it is such a nice texture. It's a really nice smell as well, and just the real appeal for me is how long it lasts. It lasts me the whole week until I need to do my tan again. I have had a lot of people comment on my tan as well, and also the face mist is really good because it just gives you a nice light glow and you can use that every couple of days all year round.
Our hands touch once or twice, we should let them intertwine. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here doing my best.
And now I'm just going to get into bed. I have said about this before and I'm still using it, still loving it. This Avon pillow mist, it's like a lavender scent. It is so nice to just have a few sprays of that on your pillow. That is going to be everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up if you did, and I will hope to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.